I'll be reviewing the Philips Evnia 34M2C8600 curved gaming monitor. If at any point you'd like to explore this monitor and grab it at a great deal, don't forget to check the links below the video. Imagine a gaming monitor that truly transforms how you experience your favorite games. Meet the Philips Evnia 34M2C8600 QD OLED curved gaming monitor, a blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design that takes immersion to a whole new level. This 34-inch monitor features a QD OLED panel that combines the rich contrast of OLED with the vibrant colors of quantum dot technology. The result? Stunning visuals with deep blacks and vivid lifelike hues. Whether you're exploring vast open-world games or engaging in fast-paced shooters, the 3440 by 1440 WQHD resolution and 1900R curve wrap you in the action like never before. For gamers, performance is everything. With an ultra-smooth 175Hz refresh rate, 0.03 milliseconds response time, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, you can say goodbye to screen tearing and motion blur. Your gameplay stays fluid and responsive, letting you focus on achieving that next victory. But this monitor isn't just for gaming. The USB-C docking station offers high-speed data transfer and up to 90 watts of power delivery, making it a powerful tool for multitasking. Connect your laptop, reduce cable clutter, and switch seamlessly between work and play. One of the most unique features is the four-sided ambiglow lighting, which creates a halo of light around the screen. It's not just visually stunning, it enhances the mood, making every gaming session feel truly immersive. Now let's talk balance. While this monitor offers a premium experience, its glossy screen surface may reflect light sources in bright environments. If you're gaming or working in a well-lit room, you might need to adjust your setup for the best experience. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore pro, this monitor is a game changer. Click the links in the description to snag this incredible product at a great price and redefine your gaming journey today. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.